How do you? Hey, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Are you ready to speak English, to learn English? So, guys, today's topic is never quit English. Never quit English. When life becomes difficult, when life becomes tough, do you become weaker? Do you become weaker or stronger during tough, difficult challenges, tough, difficult times? Be honest. Let me tell you the absolute truth. The most important thing for success, the most important method or technique for success, never quit attitude. Your attitude, your mindset of toughness, of never quitting. That is the number one key to success in all areas of life. There are two kinds of people, my friend. Those who get weaker during tough times and those who get stronger during tough times. Those who get weaker during tough times, they start to complain when they have problems. When life becomes tougher, they complain, they become weaker, and weaker. The other kind gets stronger, more determined, tougher. When they encounter a difficult problem, they want to fight harder. They enjoy the fight, they enjoy the challenge, they enjoy the toughness. They get stronger, and stronger. Those are the people who succeed in life, who achieve the top level of the success in all areas of the life. Get strong, be tough. Be tough. Use this challenge, use this problem to get stronger. Never quit, never quit, never quit. This is the key to success. This is the key to winning. Winners have this never quit attitude. If you are a complainer, if you complain a lot, that's okay. That's okay. It's not permanent. You can teach yourself this never quit attitude. Step by step, you can become stronger and tougher. You do it by facing challenges and problems. Have a tough challenge and overcome it and solve it. Then attack a bigger problem. Each time you defeat a problem, you get stronger. Each time you face something tough and don't quit, you get stronger. Then you're ready for something a bit bigger. In this way, over weeks and months and years, you will get stronger, tougher, and tougher. You will develop this never quit attitude. So when you're facing a problem with English, oh, I'm not improving, oh, it's difficult, stop yourself from complaining. Stop and focus on the problem and attack the problem, attack the challenge, enjoy the challenge, enjoy the tough time, and get stronger. And also in your personal life, if your girlfriend leaves you, if you have a hard time at your job or in school, don't complain. Enjoy the challenge. Attack the problem. You will get over weeks and months and years stronger. Develop your never quit attitude. You can do it. You will do it. You will achieve your dream life. You will succeed. Never quit. Never quit. Never quit.